Hey everyone, my name is Kezia. I know there's something different about me. I have bangs now, which is crazy I think, because the last time I had bangs was like, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago. Never thought I would do it again like this. I feel like a different person right now. It's only been like 2 days and my mom was the one who cut it. When I was little I had bangs and she was the one who always cut it, so but I honestly love it just because the fact it's not that like straight, you know what I mean? And I like it because it's a little bit longer in this side and also on that side. And I'll probably stay like this for another month until I get bored, and then I'll just like grow it back. I just want to enjoy my bang. Oh, anyway, this is my natural hair. It is very straight. My hair dries pretty fast, but I don't like the feeling when your hair is very wet. Every time I wash it, I just dry it with hair dryer and then just let it dry by itself. I use this one. It's from Victoria's Secret. It's a high shine serum. It says here that it helps prevent frizz even in heat and humidity, and also it is infused with conditioning silk, amino acid, and provitamin B5.
I don't know, what is it?
I think this product is pretty good for my hair because it is pretty thick. I usually use like 5 pumps and I just rub it in my hand and just put it down here, down here. After I use that serum, I usually use this one. I use it just around here. So I like to use it to make my hair thicker, and I love the smell of it. Yeah, it says right here that it's a kiwi fragrance, and it is very refreshing. I love it. After I use those products, I just let my hair to dry completely by itself, and I just do my hair that day whatever I want. But a lot of people on Instagram ask me how I usually do my hair with that natural curl. If you haven't followed me on Instagram,
You could follow me here.
so yeah, I decided to do it in this video. I usually start by sectioning my hair into 2 sections because my hair is pretty thick. I honestly never really comb my hair. I just like to use my fingers to like soften it a little bit so it is easier for me to work with it. I always do my hair with this curling iron. It's from Remington. It is not that expensive and I bought it in Target 2 months ago, I think, for around $30 to $35, and I love the brand Remington itself. In most cases, a lot of curling iron can work with my hair because it is not that hot, but my hair always works with Remington, so
I like it.
I usually set it into around 400. They have it until 410, but I like to set it to 400. After that, I just wait for it until it is hot. And I personally don't really like to use any heat protector because I don't do it like every single day. I just do it probably like twice a week, but it's your choice. For me, I don't really use any heat protector. So after it is hot enough, grab this much of hair, like around this, and I put my curling iron in front of it. Be very careful because it is very hot, and I just like to turn this to the back. I wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then I just put it all in my hand. Just kind of let it sit in your hand and then I put it back in the back. And it is like this right now. I'll show you one more time. So it's like this. Put it here. Wait for it a little bit. And put it in the back. So now I'll just do all of my hair and I'll just make a time lapse. And if I don't make a video like this, I usually do my hair for like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll show you with the time lapse and I'll be back. If you want, you could kind of switch it up. So 1 backwards, 1 upwards, 1 backwards, 1 upwards. But this method works the best for my hair. I have bangs, I don't do anything with it. I just let my other hair to cool down by itself. We're not done just yet. What I like to do is that I take the upper part section of my hair and then just curl it a little bit, just halfway through it, like this. See, it makes your hair thicker and just more volume, you know. If you like this kind of curls, it's all up to you. Just let it be like that and then just hairspray it a little bit so it stays longer. But for me, I like more natural curls. So what I do after it completely cools down, I love to soften it with my hand, like brush through it with my hand, like this. Until I like how it looks like. And I do the same thing on the other hair. If it's a second day hair, what I like to do is that I use a dry shampoo to spray it over here and over here to make it more voluminous. But because I just washed my hair, I don't like to do that. After I feel like it's in the shape that I like, I just take my favorite hairspray from Big Sexy Hair. It's this one, and then just spray it to my hair. And also from inside. Last steps, I like to pull my hair down like this. Oh, I look so scary right now. And spray it from here. And I'm done. So here's the hair. And I also forgot to mention that this curls usually last me for about 2 until 3 days. I honestly really like it. I think it is very natural and you could basically wear this kind of hair anywhere you want. So I think it also works with this bang. I hope you like this video and I hope you find it very helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to, and also you can turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I upload, because I basically upload whatever I want. For now, I don't have any schedule or anything, so it'd be awesome if you turn on the notification bell and also subscribe to this channel so you know whenever I upload. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you like it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!